Right, this is a quick video to show you where you can put your fixings in a lifting slide and you don't have any reveal. So on the lock side, you'll need to remove these two strikes, one down here and one up here. Simply remove the screws. Be sure not to lose the little plates behind it. Next thing you want to do is get a putty knife, something sharp, something a bit solid, so you can get into this little groove here. Just tap it in, so you don't get any damage, and you just be able to pull that back to yourself. By that stage, you should just be able to get your hands behind there, pulling it out of the top part, and removing that piece. So once you're at this stage, you want to drill through this channel here with an 8mm drill bit, going through 2 bits of steel. And then using your bugle or something similar to drive through into your stud work or framework behind. And we're just putting this one back on. Just have this good edge facing out. And in the track there. Bend it into the top. And you can just cut that this on in anyway. So on the opposite side, same thing, using the same tool. Get it into that little groove there. And you're just easing this one off as well. Once you get a bit off there, you can use your hands. Just pulling it out of the top part. And just pulling it back. And I'd just leave it like that, do all your fixings, and then you can just pop it back on. Pause that. So you're just getting one edge in, and then you can just give it a little tap there. Just work it up, and then come down from the bottom. Again, push one side in and just tap at the front edge. So we're going to put the strikes back on. We've got a bigger strike and a smaller one. Bigger one goes to the bottom, smaller to the top. Just make sure you got your plates back on there. Pack it out. Alright, so you might find you need to put a fixing in the head. So all you need to do is take this cover plate off here. And you can just maybe angle your fixing into your stud work if you've got to, or if you've got something straight above it, just screw straight into it.